We change our mobile phones every 4 years. We change softwares every year. We also upgrade our operating system in the mobile phone every month. But there's one single thing which I found a gap that we are using from 2008. That same tool which you are using from 2008 till date. That is the Google Chrome browser. Okay. Everyone obviously uses Google Chrome browser and it is little bit of old and outdated, I can say. Most of us use that browser every day, I think. We search, we open many tabs, we copy and paste the information, and we repeat the same steps again and again. But what if I tell you your browser could do more than just showing results? Okay, it is possible. There are some browsers which do it. And what if I tell you it could help you to understand those things better? So this is where the Comet browser comes from help. Comet is a new browser created by the same team who made this Perplexity AI. On the outside, it looks like a normal browser, but just like Chrome. But inside, it's very different. It's an AI assistant built directly in the browser. So instead of just searching, your browser can now think like you. It can summarize the entire page, explain difficult topics in simple words. It can help you research faster and even help you write and organize your work. So recently, many big tech companies are adding AI into their products. It can be Excel, it can be Google Chrome, it can be all the places. But Microsoft added AI into Edge. Google is adding AI into their Chrome. But now Comet is something different. It's not only adding AI assistant, but also adding AI agentic features. It can scrap data from the websites. It can compare the products and give the tables. It can compare the different websites of similar products and give the best pricing as well. So it is doing all the work which a human should do and on your behalf. So this Comet is not a simple browser. It's not only AI assistant browser, but it is AI agentic browser. Let's try to understand more in details with a lot of features in this. So first, I simply go to the Perplexity website and download the Comet browser. The installation is very straightforward, just like any other browser. Once it's installed and opened, at first glance, it looks pretty normal, right? You have tabs, a search bar, tab groups, you can open any website, and it's decently fast as well. Shape explaining the core idea. Inside Comet, Perplexity works like a real personal assistant. After getting familiar with the dashboard or homepage of the Comet browser, let's move to the first demo. This demo is about email summarization, specifically unread emails from the last 2 days. So instead of opening my email and checking everything manually, I open the Comet Assistant from the top right corner. Here's the prompt I use. Find my unread emails from the last 2 days, ignore spam and promotions, show the sender, subject, and a 1 to 2 line simple summary for each important email. Highlight urgent emails and give me a short overall inbox summary at the end. And this is where it gets interesting. The Comet browser starts working directly on my screen. It goes through my inbox, filters out unnecessary emails, highlights what's urgent, and summarizes everything for me. I didn't open a single email manually. This alone can save so much time every single day. Now let's take a very common situation. I want to buy a new phone, the Samsung Galaxy S24, but I'm confused about where to buy it from. Amazon, Flipkart, which one has the best price, best version and best offers? Once again, I bring up the Comet Assistant. This is the exact prompt I give it. Search live on Amazon and Flipkart for the Samsung Galaxy S24. Find the highest rated and most reviewed option with the best available price, compare prices, ratings and offers, choose the best deal and add it to my cart. As you can see on the screen, Comet does everything for me. It checks both websites, compares prices and ratings, and finally finds the best deal. In my case, it selects Flipkart. I log in with my credentials and the phone is added directly to my cart. This browser doesn't just help you decide, it actually takes action. Next, let's look at a more professional use case. I want to schedule an online meeting and also send an email invitation. So I open the assistant and give it a single instruction. Schedule an online meeting with a contact titled Work Review Meeting add it to my calendar, generate an online meeting link, and send the invitation automatically. Behind the scenes, Comet connects everything together. It creates the calendar event, generates the meeting link, and sends the email automatically. No switching between apps, no manual copying and pasting, just one prompt. And finally, let me show you automatic form filling. Imagine you're applying for a job and you have to fill out a long form. I open the form in the Comet browser, bring up the assistant, and simply say, fill this form with dummy data. That's it. Comet fills the entire form on my behalf directly on the screen. This might seem simple, but when you do this regularly, it saves a lot of time and effort. Now, this feature is something I personally love. Let's say I'm planning a trip to Goa. So I open multiple tabs, places to visit in Goa, flight booking websites, hotel booking websites, blogs, and even a couple of unnecessary tabs. As you can see, things get messy very quickly. So instead of manually sorting all this, I ask Comet to do the thinking for me. Here's what I tell it. Summarize all my currently open travel related tabs in simple language. Give me 2 to 3 key points for each tab. Tell me what's most important for my trip. Close unnecessary tabs automatically and plan my 2-day Goa trip with hotel, food and tickets. And now look at this. Comet understands which tabs are important, summarizes them, closes the useless ones, and even creates a clean 2-day trip plan for Goa. This feels like having a smart assistant organizing your thoughts in real time. So this is Comet browser. At first, it looks like a normal browser, but once you start using the assistant, you realize it's much more than that. It reads, thinks, decides, and acts for you. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments which feature impressed you the most. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video.